Del again, and we used our bullet little blender to put some of that hot sauce, salsa sauce. And so these we've done on a separate video, these jalapeno things. So we'll test this out and see what the sauce tastes like. I can taste the jalapeno, and so far with this sauce, I don't want it to back up on me and all of a sudden get real hot and then make me sorry that I put it in my mouth. But it seems to be all right. So we'll get some more of it on there. Now, a quick review of the jalapeno. It's real salty, and I've got I don't know if you'd call it a bite, but you know it's there. And then this sauce. The sauce is mildly hot. So, and again, this is a homemade deal in the Bullet One blender kind of outfit there. There's the previously showed you this is the blades that spin around and this threads on, and then the attachment goes to the top and spins it. So this is a homemade sauce. Again, I have to check up on the ingredients. I don't see any red hot peppers in there. It's burning me just slightly. On a scale of 1 to 100, I'd give it about a 5. It's letting me know that it's there and that it's hot sauce, but it's nowhere near where it could be on the Richter scale. So it's I hate to use the word mild when describing hot sauce, but and again, the ingredients used. I don't think this was an out of the package kind of outfit. I think this was made.
What's up?
Tomatoes,
lime, and onion.
Oh, there it is. Onions was the third ingredient. Tomatoes, onions, and lime.
And cilantro.
And cilantro. If you want to use a Bullet One grinder kind of thing, have at it. If not, grind them up your own way. And so, there's not real smell to it either. So, you see there's plenty, just in this one container here, there's plenty of sauce to go around for everybody. So if you got your chips and you got a group watching the game or something, and they like hot sauce with their jalapeno chips,
and you jerk it out.